Hi, welcome to today's English class. In this class, I am going to take you for an adventure. You know what? I am taking you to the center of the earth. Yes, the story we are going to discuss today is an extract from the story Journey to the Center of the Earth, written by Jules Verne, a French author who pioneered the science fiction genre in Europe. He is best known for his novels 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, Journey to the Center of the Earth, and Around the World in 80 Days. Several of his stories were made into live action and animated films. Let us discuss chapter 17 in our textbook, The Battle of Saurians, an extract from the Journey to the Center of the Earth. The word Saurian, which means large reptile, a dinosaur. Yes, this story is about a battle of dinosaurs. Yes, it's a battle between two dinosaurs. It's interesting, isn't it? First, let me tell you how it all gets started. Axel Lidenbrock is the narrator of this story. Yes, wherever you see the word I, it represents Axel Lidenbrock, and he is the nephew of Professor Lidenbrock. Professor Lidenbrock is the one who took his nephew to this journey to the center of the earth after he cracked down the codes. Hans, an Icelandic guide who accompanies both of them to the center of the earth. Yes, he is a guide. Hans is a guide, Lidenbrock is the professor, and Axel Lidenbrock is the narrator and the nephew of the professor. Let's get it started. These three characters, Professor Lidenbrock, Axel Lidenbrock, and Hans, started their journey to the center of the earth. The days went by. Now they were sailing on a raft in the subterranean sea, which looks as wide as Mediterranean Sea. It even looks as wide as the great Atlantic Ocean. It was a Sunday, August 16th. Professor Lidenbrock tried to measure the depth of the sea by tying the heaviest crowbar using the rope and left it run underwater. It went 200 fathoms deep, which means nearly 360 meters without reaching the bottom. Then they dragged the crowbar to the boat, and Hans called Axel and saw the peculiar marks that looks like the crowbar was crushed between two hard substances. Thunder, the Icelandic guide Hans said. Thunder is an Icelandic word which means teeth. Yes, Hans said that the hard substances were teeth, and it was teeth marks which is on the crowbar. Axel was shocked to hear that and was not able to take his eyes out of it, thinking if it rose up, if the one that bit the crowbar rose up, what would they do to our raft? The narrator thought. The whole day he was thinking about frightening speculations, different imaginations. The next day, it was a Monday, August 17th. Axel, the narrator, was thinking about the giant lizards. Yes, the giant lizards of the dinosaurs. He was thinking about it, and these antediluvian animals, which means prehistoric animals, they once lived and ruled the earth. They reigned the entire earth. No humans have seen the mighty Saurians in the flesh. Saurian, which means a great lizard. Their fossil bones discovered in the limestone allowed our people to reconstruct their colossal form. Sometimes Axel thinks of meeting one of those big giants, and he didn't believe that he can meet them. But these marks on the crowbar reassured him that the giant creatures might live in this unexplored part of the planet. The three were armed. They took their guns to face the giants. The new day came up. It was Tuesday, August 18th. In the evening, it was too bright. They couldn't even go to sleep. Those are the northern lights. It looks like a lamp from the faraway place. Hans fixed his eyes upon the water to check the monsters, and at that time, the narrator, Axel, he went to sleep. No sooner he went to sleep than the raft was struck up, and he was awakened. They lifted that sunken rock and threw it away. Professor cried out, "Are we shipwrecked?" And he points out at something big moving up and down 200 yards away from them. The narrator shouted, "It's a colossal monster!" They were surrounded by large marine creatures, a crocodile with monstrous teeth, an enormous whale, a 40 feet wide turtle, and a monstrous serpent. Serpent, which means snake. Yes, they pointed out 4 animals here: a crocodile with monstrous teeth, an enormous whale, a 40 feet wide turtle, and a monstrous serpent. They stood still. They were shocked by seeing these monsters. The narrator took his rifle. What effect can a rifle bullet make on these monsters? It may be like an ant bite for them. The monsters moved forward and they heaved a sigh of relief. Yes, the monsters moved forward. Then a strange thing occurs. One mighty crocodile was on the one side of the raft and the other side a great sea snake. They were shocked. They were afraid of it. What happened next? Have they continued their journey? Were they really alive? What did these creatures do? Let us find out the answers in the next class. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.